What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Freedom Motivator channel. I'm Kevin Lehner, and if this is your first time here, what we do here is we make videos of how-tos, motivational videos, and affiliate marketing videos to help you make money online and understand how to make money online. Okay? So if this is your first time here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified of when we post new videos. Okay? Alright, so you're going to want to stick around here today. I'm going to do a video of an extension of what I did about 2 days ago, where I'm showing you websites where you can upload your products that you can make money from, anywhere from $20 to $30 per day. Probably more than that if you've uploaded many products, okay? So stick around here. We'll be right back in just a moment, and we'll get started right on that, okay? Alright, thanks. Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for sticking around there. So we're going to show you a website again today, like I did a couple of days ago in the video I did earlier. It's another website where you can upload your products and make money from them, okay? So let's go ahead and get right on in this. Alright, so the site that we're going to today where you can make money is called Payloadz.com. And that is right up here. www.payloadz with a Z.com, and you can put your products on here and sell them. Now this particular site does have a fee to it. Okay, it's $19.95 per month with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Alrighty, and they'll charge 2.9% plus 29 cents per transaction billed monthly. And if you sell a product that's less than $2, it says here it'll be 4.9% and plus a nickel. Okay, so this site, the site that I showed you before, TradeBit, in the last video, they don't charge. That's a free site for that one. Now, this particular site is the same as the other one. You can upload your software, music, movies, digital art, manuals, articles, crafts, and anything that can be downloaded. So if you have, you've made your own products, or you have your music, or any kind of videos, or anything like that, anything is that you want to sell, you can upload on this website right here. Okay. Now I did a Alexa, and in the last video I told you that TradeBit was rated the 93,000th and some change website in the world in terms of traffic. Okay, so I did the same thing here with Payloadz too, to check out their traffic ranking, and they are right here on Alexa. See, it's Payloadz.com, and they're rated on global rank is 53,000. That's even 40-some thousand below TradeBit site, and then their rank in the United States is 30,000. So what that's telling you is this website gets a high amount of traffic, and as you can see, their average, just for back in July, they're just showing July right here. Their average run right around, I'd say that's right around 53,000 people per month visit this website, and it's gone up since then, as you can see, the end of July. So it's up and down and flows like that, but not much below. Well, it's actually, I'm wrong. It's about the average for July, is because the numbers are going up, going down rather than up on the other side here. So I'm going to say 57 to 58,000 people. That's enough to fill up an NFL football stadium per month. All right, so but it's up and down all the time, but still their ranking is really good. That tells you the power of their website, the traffic, and how much traffic they get, and what their rank is. All right, so that's really good. And these numbers are really good, is what you want to see. So the chances for you when you upload your product onto Payloadz, it's just like with TradeBit, even they're below 100,000. Anything below 100,000 is a website that gets lots and lots of traffic. The chances to sell your product here is really, really good. All right, so they have lots of, and it tells you some of their stats right here. 1 million plus products for sale, 82 million plus in seller revenue they've paid out, and 100,000 plus downloads per month on this website. And some of the features here and stuff about it and stuff, so on and so forth. And then they got some, they got some frequently asked questions sort of here and stuff. And then you can also, same with TradeBit, you can be an affiliate with them and make money selling other people's products that they have, that they've uploaded on this site already. If you want, if you didn't want to be a seller yourself, you can also be an affiliate, make money that way too. So this is a pretty good site for this. Now you can click on their store here, and they've got lots of different categories and so on and so forth here that are just loaded with stuff. They got crafting, got ebooks, and then all the incredible subcategories that they got with all that. Just goes on and on and on. And photos and images, documents and forms, music, software, video, whatever videos you have that you've created, you can upload them here on this site too as well and sell those. So there's a lot of room here to make money. A lot of room on this site for you to make money, and then just in other categories and stuff here. So there's plenty of room to make money on this website. Excuse me just a second. Alright, so that's what I had for you today. Just want to do a quick video and show you this website where you can make money too, anywhere from $20 to $30 per day, or depending on whatever you mark your product up when you upload it on here to sell. And so that's what I had for you today. Wanted to share this with you. Hope you get some value out of this. Hope you get a chance to make some money with this website at Payloadz. All right, well, I'll let you go here for now. I want to make sure you check my links out down at the bottom if you want to see my #1 recommended business that I recommend you get involved with. It's a high-ticket business starting at $30 a month with a $30-day trial with money-back guarantee. Click the link down there, mentorwithkev.com. You'll see it on the screen here too. mentorwithkev.com, and you can see that and get a free attraction marketing ebook to go along with that, just for signing up to my mailing list and taking a look at the business to see if it's a fit for you. Okay? Alright, check my other links out down below. Hook up with me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and come back and see us again. Going to do a video again tomorrow or the next day, because I have a third site that I want to show you where you can make money too as well by uploading your products. Okay? Alright, so thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for coming. I'll see you later. Okay? Bye-bye now.